We got the vanity. My childhood dog passed away this week. Here she is. Good, I'm so happy with how it turned out. We got the vanity and I'm sweaty. It's here. Yeah, I've got Wyatt putting it together for me. It's super easy. It fit in our car. We just had to take the legs off. So happy. I'm so excited. We got the vanity. You're attractive.
Thanks.
You're welcome, little alfalfa hair.
I'll put a hat on. My hair was wet.
I'm a vintage queen.
Yeah.
Oh, this is heavy.
Mm-hmm.
So it is a project piece. We are gonna have to fix the middle compartment. Just obviously, you guys can see that. So I'll probably end up fixing it this weekend, or Wyatt will probably end up fixing it this weekend for me. But it's so flipping gorgeous. I'm so excited. And then I'm gonna add a little gallery wall right there. I have a few errands to run today, and I feel like my allergies are acting up, and my new shoes that are white, that weren't too expensive, so it's not bad, but I scuffed them getting out of our house. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, anyway, on my way to the grocery store because we didn't go this weekend and we're out of a lot of things. I will update you guys when I get back home. Yeah, sounds good. I just came back from the gym, and now instead of showering right away like I normally do, I'm going to be working on the dresser because it's taking a lot longer since Wyatt has to work, so why not get it done faster? So I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to record because I don't want to take the camera outside because the dust gets everywhere, but we'll see. We'll try. Saturday now, and we are going to be going to Lowe's to get a stain color and more sandpaper because, well, we have to finish the thing this weekend, and I really want to finish it this weekend so that we can already put it in our room because it's been out for like a week or two. A week? Maybe 2 weeks? I don't remember, honestly. And we're also gonna get donuts. And I'm excited for that because I'm hungry.
You just date your mom for a second?
Yeah. It looks good.
Yeah.
We're starting to stain, as you can see. Wyatt finished sanding, so I'll come back when it's all done. Here she is. So pretty. We were not able to get a few of the previous paint stain color off, but it's fine. gives it more character, and I really like how the color turned out. So I bought some contact paper that I'm going to use to line the inside of the drawers, just because the inside of the drawers are not cute. They look stained and dirty, and so that's what I'm going to do right now. Perfect. The update, it didn't stick too well, but I'm not worried about it because the clothes are going to be covering it. So I really just wanted to like cover the dirtiness and the dinginess of it, I guess. But yeah, so here's how it turned out. It's nice. I already put the clothes in. And then that's my husband's drawer because he's taller than me. And then this one is my drawer, which I have all my jeans and lounge clothes in there. A little update on the vanity. Don't mind the fan. My husband likes to sleep with the fan because I like it warm and he likes it hot, and so I have a heater on my side and he has a fan on his side. But anyway, I've kind of figured out the decor. I don't remember if I updated you guys on what I did to decorate, but I used this little clock that I got from the thrift store, and then just a few books. And then over here, I think I did update you guys, but I don't know. Anyway, this is kind of the look for right now. And then I'm going to add a gallery wall right here. And unfortunately, my childhood dog passed away this week on April 19th. And so I made a painting of him through an app. One of my favorite pictures of him that I am going to hang up. Let me show you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna incorporate him into the gallery wall just because he was the best little boy ever. Here is the little painting that I made. Oh, it is so cute. So anyway, it kind of just reminds me of like him looking up at Jesus or something, and I like absolutely love it. And gonna get emotional, so I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just going to go ahead and get started on the gallery wall. Okay, so I think I have the layout. Hopefully it fits on the wall. But anyway, here's the layout. I'm going to replace some of these pictures. Actually, I think I'm going to replace all of the pictures. I actually like this one, but this one needs to be horizontal and it's a vertical picture. And then I like this. I will really like this frame. I'm happy I found it. I'm gonna replace the different picture of Jesus though. And then, yeah, so I'm just gonna replace everything. Here's the gallery wall layout. Hopefully it fits on that wall. But yeah, I'm gonna start printing the pictures out. I actually have to look for a few pictures, and then I'm gonna start printing them out, and then you guys will see me putting it up. Well, what I thought was gonna be a quick, easy DIY turned into a very frustrating DIY. I ran out of ink in my printer, so I don't think I'm gonna get this done today. I think I still want to hang it just so I can see what it'll look like. I'm literally not even measuring. I'm just eyeing it because who has time to measure things? Not me. Okay, here's what I have so far. These three I have to go in and make things to hang them because this one only has something right here and I need it to be horizontal. So I have to figure that out. I think I'm just gonna use twine and hot glue, honestly, because they're not that heavy. But I'm almost done. I am excited to see it when it's all complete. I'm not sure how I feel about this right here because it's kind of like too clean. You know what I mean? Like boom, boom, boom. I kind of want it like not that clean. Anyway, it's looking good though. So I'm really happy with how it's turning out. So I'm gonna go do like that hot glue project now, and so I can finish and see if there's anything I need to move around or anything. Okay, are you guys ready? It's not done. Wait, I don't know. Did I show you guys? I don't even know if I showed you guys. Okay, it's not done, but everything is hung up. I still have to replace the pictures, but my husband's getting ink when he comes back from work, and so I'm just gonna show you guys right now, and then I'll show you guys again when I do replace the pictures and show you guys the pictures and everything. But anyway, look how good it looks. Okay, hold on. Let me turn this around so you guys can see it. So cute. I'm so excited. I asked my husband also not only to get ink, but I also asked him to pick up some candlesticks, right, so I could put right there, so that way this little space isn't that awkward. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It looks so cute. This one is gonna be Blackjack. He is the focal point, you know what I'm saying? Because he did pass away, so I kind of wanted to honor him in that way. And then just a whole bunch of different like landscape paintings. But yeah, I love it. I'm obsessed with this. It looks so good. Turned out better than I could have ever imagined. So anyway, I'm gonna start cooking dinner, I think. Or clean the kitchen and then cook dinner. Because Wyatt's gonna be home late today, and so I want to have dinner ready. Also, it's our 4-year dating anniversary today, which is crazy. It's kind of a long time. But at the same time, it doesn't feel like a long time. Anyway, so I'm gonna have dinner ready, and I will update you guys later. I did not film replacing the pictures, but I replaced the pictures. Dun 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 dun. It looks so good. I'm so happy with how it turned out. There are a few pictures that I still want to replace, but I have to find pictures for them and print them out. But let me show you. Can't really see because of the glare, so maybe if I block it, I don't know. There we go. So there's my puppy, my dog who passed away. I don't know how else to show you without the glare. There he is. This one that I really like, it's of Jesus reaching out to a little boy. Love it. It's cute. And then here's another one of Jesus. And then this one up here is so cute. It's of a couple. And I thought that was really cute. You can't really see. Anyway, I ordered some candlesticks to put right there. That way this space doesn't look too empty. So those should be coming in sometime this week. And then it'll be officially complete. And I already have all of my makeup in here. Wyatt fixed it for me the other day. Here is today's outfit. My husband has a softball game, so I'm gonna go watch him play. Kind of 90s vibes with the shoes and socks. I kind of like it a lot. Just wanted to show the outfit off because I really like it.